Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to show you guys a haul video of a whole bunch of crafty stuff. Now this one's a little different because I didn't buy these things, but I got them as a birthday present in a pinata, which was the best gift ever. All I wanted for my birthday was a pinata, and my babe took that pinata idea and ran with it, and he filled it with a whole bunch of crafty stuff, which is amazing. So I actually already used one of these pieces last night. I was just too excited after, hitting the pinata and breaking it open that I had to just use it. So I actually used it in a card for my babe. But it's this emoji set with dies and an embossing folder. So fun. But I use the emojis because we use these all the time in text. And I made a little a waterfall thing on the front. And I think it's so fun. So I used that emoji thing already. So this is one of the dies that my babe got me. Dies and embossing folders. It's so fun, guys. I love it. Before my birthday, we also went to a whole bunch of craft stores. And I showed my babe, I was like, I like this, I like this, I like this, I like this. So he kind of kept note of it and would go back later that day or the next day and pick some stuff up. So this is one of the things that I really wanted. It's just like thread, but this is going to be great for, when I make different things, whether it's a banner or to help decorate a card or whatever it is. So these were so fun and I wanted these. Here is another thing that I got. They're just fall gems, and since I want to be crafting a lot for Halloween and fall, these are so fun. And obviously I'm not going to use them all this year, but these things kind of stay good even throughout next year, and all of these things will stay good until I use them. Got these super cute reindeer, so this is going to be great for my Christmas card decorating. We got some fall leaves, great to add embellishments to things and to add a little something to cards. These are also good. They're fun little banners that say trick, rip, boo, and creepy. So fun little Halloween crafts. I just cannot wait to start using all of these. They're going to be so fun. And obviously all of these you could also use for scrapbooking. Here is some Christmas ones, like a Christmas stocking and a little wreath. We got these bigger kind of Christmassy ones, but they're so fun. Some Thanksgiving stickers and 3D kind of embellishment things. Add a little rosette to the back and a little ribbon, and they're gonna be so fun, guys. I cannot wait to make all the stuff. First things first though, I have no idea where I'm putting all this. Then you have these little things. I don't know why they're stuck up there, but these are so fun as well for my Christmas card decorating. These ones are also great for Christmas card decorating. I'm just gonna stop saying card decorating because these are all great for that. Some fall colored flowers. Some skulls, perfect for Halloween. And I love these, they're harder and they're so fun. We also got some ghosts and a spooky haunted house. Oh my gosh, guys, I cannot wait to use all these. These little flowers, little paw prints, so for fur baby cards. Not sure how I'll be using this, but a little bit of decoration. Actually, no, I can use this. This would be great for a mermaid card, a kind of splash in the water kind of thing. Some bows. Look at these super cute donut tags. So fun. I got a seashell die, palm trees and coconuts because I love palm trees and coconuts, two of my favorite things. Some balloons, and little confetti things. They're also that plasticky kind of feel. They're so fun. Cupcakes, another cupcake. A life's a beach. This one would go great on a scrapbook layout. Happy birthday. Look how fun these all are, and they're three-dimensional. I don't know if you guys could tell, but they're so fun. Gosh, we're not even halfway through, guys. Okay, I'm gonna try to just show you guys. These little chicks, perfect for Easter. Prom night. Don't know when I'll be using that, but this might just have to hang around with me until I have a daughter and she goes to prom night, and then I need to scrapbook it. These little frame things. These super cute palm trees. Some crosses, perfect for religious cards, communions, confirmations, baptism, things like that. Little bows. They're so fun. this thing that says splash, and it has like a cool little like rope thing. You know how you have like the water blocked off in the ocean. Golf, perfect for my babes. Like maybe like a golf layout for my babe because he likes to play golf. Camp. As I was going through all these yesterday, I was like, babe, how am I going to use some of these stickers? And we just decided that these are also going to give us ideas of things that we need to do. One of these in here says Colorado, so we're like, you know what? We got to go to Colorado. So that'll give us like some little getaway trips and things like that. Some super cute coffee cups. I have no idea how I'm making this yet, but these are like flowers, and I have to cut out all these pieces individually and like put a flower together. So this is gonna definitely be a project I'm gonna have to learn how to do. And my babe was like, I believe in you. You could do this. So we will see how this works. Got these 3D textured impressions. This is like a 3D heart embossing folder. A little wedding cake. These super cute rosettes. Palm tree pop-up die. I saw this and I was like, oh my gosh, this is so fun. I don't know how to make this yet, but I think it has some kind of instructions in here. So we shall see. But this will be super fun to make as well. Fishing. And I've been wanting to go fishing with my babe, so that's fun. These would be perfect for a teacher appreciation card. Oh, look how cute these little pumpkins are and glittery. There's this Be My Valentine kind of like heart set. Oh, it's like a balloon. Oh my gosh, that's so fun. I didn't even notice that, but it's like a hot air balloon. But it's a heart, and we've been wanting to go on like a hot air balloon ride. So this is gonna be so fun. These little fall leaves that I could cut out. These feathers, I really wanted this one with the feathers, and it has an embossing folder as well. This pineapple embossing folder, so fun. Oh, and pineapples too. Look at these super cute stickers, they're so pretty. This little fun in the sun kind of thing, or I guess this is a cruise, and it's actually perfect because we're going on a cruise ship soon, so I could always make a scrapbook layout with this. This little summer camp set. Oh my gosh, this is like actual material, and it looks like a sleeping bag. Oh my gosh, that is so fun. How many times did I say fun so far? So this is one of the ones that we were like, you know what, we gotta go to London if I'm gonna use this. So this is a London one, and I've always wanted to go to England, so that's actually perfect. With these little beer things, and they're little cute little shakers. Oh gosh, they're so fun. Okay, you know what? I gotta stop saying so fun. This giraffe, and the first thing I thought was to go on a safari, like a drive-through safari, and I've been wanting to do that as well. These little booty thingies for a baby. Violin. I was like, babe, I guess we gotta go take some music classes and learn how to play some kind of an instrument. We got hiking, Statue of Liberty, and we live in New York, so I could use this anytime. This is the one I was telling you guys about. It says Colorado. So I gotta find my way to Colorado, guys. Karate. Maybe take some self-defense classes or something we could do together if there's like a Groupon for it. These super cute flowers. Oh, and this one is like a butterfly. Got some gemstones for decorating for the inside of flowers and things. This little workout one. Oh my god, that jump rope is so cool. These flowers. USA, perfect for like the 4th of July kind of card making. These flowers. Some food ones. Burgers, hot dogs. These sunflowers. These are so cute. These little teeny flower things. I'm not even sure that we're halfway done yet. My babe spoiled me so much. And he knows me so well, and I just absolutely love all this stuff, so I'm just sharing with you guys all this fun stuff that I got for card making and craft making, and it's gonna be so fun. A year of crafting. I mean, hopefully longer than that, because I just love crafting. This one is adhesive sheets. I've been really wanting some adhesive sheets for like more the intricate dies. This little coffee cup with an embossing folder and some dies as well. This one says thanks a latte. And there's like little leaves and a little pumpkin in here and stuff, so I can make it for so many different occasions. We got this little heart die. It's a thinlet die, and it looks kind of like a doily. So intricate, guys. Very intricate. these flowers. Look how glittery they are. They're so fun. We got these ones too. I got so many different colors, guys. I love this. Do not let me buy any more crafty stuff, guys. I have enough for like ever. New Orleans. I didn't even see this, so I guess we gotta go there. I think it's New Orleans, of how you say it actually. These super cute little flowers. Then we got another embossing folder. It's like a floral one, 3D, but like, I don't know if you guys could see that, but oh my gosh, I cannot wait to make this. We got these flowers. Oh my gosh, everything is so fun. I'm in like craft heaven. These little bows, a couple of these flowers with like a, I don't know if this is, what is this called? Mesh or tulle or whatever it is. Oh, I got two of those. These flowers. Got some of these little ones as well. Little roses. Little flip-flops. Back to school. Glue, pencil, scissors. These flowers. More flowers, guys. I do love flowers, which is why there's so many flowers. I love adding them to so many kinds of cards. Just not guy cards, but other than that, I love adding them. Little bows. This embossing folder with like a birthday cupcake, so there's like dots on the outside, which I love, and then there's space in the middle to put like a sentiment, and I could cut out happy birthday, a balloon, a little cupcake. It says something in here as well. Hey there, cupcake. That's cute. A little star, so that's gonna be so fun. Okay, some soccer kind of things. Sand, so fun in the sun on the beach. Easter little bunnies, graduation, some more little roses, some gemstones. And I like that these say like the month that they're for, so you got January, February, and all throughout. It shows you like the kind of stone for that month. These little roses. This one, it says spoiled, and it's perfect for like a fur baby, like a fur baby birthday if I was gonna make my fur baby a card. A road trip kind of travel-y kind of set. And here's another one. I do love traveling and seeing things. These hearts. Then you have this one that's fun in the sun. So some pool, a little like motorcycle moped looking thing. Some more flowers. We got some gemstone pearls, which I've been wanting so bad. I got this die set as well by Lori Whitlock to make this card, and I'm so excited to make that. Then I got some more of these roses. Can never have too many flowers, guys. Butterflies. Some of these flowers. This rose embossing folder. Another 3D embossing folder. A star kind of die. And it's a whole like die set, so I cannot wait to like take these out and like cut these. Those are going to be so fun on the back of a card. These flowers, I don't know how I'm going to put these together yet. They seem very intricate, but we'll see. We got some of these flowers as well. I also have a lot of die organization to do. We got these super cute flowers. Some more of these. Red roses. Some more white roses. We got these flowers. It's like string. They're so cool. Then got these ones. We're almost done, guys. We're getting there. I got this sunflower die. My baby loves sunflowers, so this is great. Maybe I'll add a sunflower to his card. He likes growing them, which is funny. This little set. I got these awesome calligraphy pens. I've been wanting some more. I only have a black one, so this is amazing. Cannot wait to use those. We got these little mesh or tulle flowers, and these ones as well. And some more little roses. This little popcorn die. It's like makes a little popcorn box. I don't know what I'm going to fit in there, but it's cute. And I was thinking of even making like a pop-up card with this, because that would be fun for like a movie night. This 3D die. I'm not exactly sure how to use this yet, but it looks like a lot of fun. This like a water splash kind of thing. These flowers. And that's it, guys. Oh, no, that's not it. Just kidding. And then 2 embossing powders. We got this aqua tinsel one and a navy blue one. And then in here, some of the little roses just like fell out from the bag. Forgot to mention that my babe also put some tea in the piñata, some of my favorite tea. Now this one's a new one, but it's by my favorite brand, 3:15 p.m. And it's a matcha latte tea. Then he got me my favorite rose milk tea and my favorite Earl Grey milk tea, and like stuffed the piñata with these as well. So guys, just so thoughtful and amazing. Wow, I'm so lucky. I got so much goodies. I'm so thankful for my babe, and not even that, but just the thought of this. Like, this is an amazing gift, and it's like a craft lover's dream. So like, I'm gonna be locked up in my craft room. Like, that's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna lock myself up in my craft room, and I'm gonna quit my job. Okay, maybe not quit my job, but you know what I mean. I just have so much crafting to do, a lifetime of crafting, and I'm so excited. Cannot thank my babe enough for being so thoughtful, so sweet, and so amazing to do this for me, something so special like this. So I'm so thankful. But I just wanted to share with you guys everything that was in the piñata because it was just so fun. And I will see you guys in my next video. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.